Now let me show you how easy it is to change the True HEPA filter. First, unplug the unit. Then turn it upside down and turn this counterclockwise and remove it. Then lift this cover off. Take off the filter and replace it with a new one. Put the cover back on and screw this knob. Then flip it over, plug it back in, and then turn the unit back on. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.